Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Dango. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Pyramid 0, Pirates 0. Don't forget to subscribe. Become a member. I'm joined by Y2K. Oh,
Subscribe.
Y2K, year 2000.
Yeah, sure.
I would like to create my friends
Subscribe and share and like.
I'm a friend with TV.
Sure.
Today, I'm going to talk about Orlando Pirates versus Pyramids.
Sure, member.
So I love my fan way too. I love my friends way too. I've been following my fan ways for a long time.
Sure.
Yeah. So Sibo, today I'm Orlando Pirates. We came here to support Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
With the full force. So the formation today was, let's talk about the game tactically.
Kuluma.
So the game today was 4-2-3-1.
Sure.
So when I see the lineup, it was the attacking football. So it was 4-2-3-1. I see the like of Mabasa, Mfugeng, Tito Masangwa is number 10, Konta, and Mbata and Makaula. So it came namhlanje as I was coming to the stadium. Bengicabanga ukuthi approach it. We came here to win.
Yes.
Man said some players was to win. Even the formation tells you it was to win. But Mabasa is for the small games.
Oh.
Yeah, Mabasa right for a game amancane. Yabo. But today we need unang Mahopa.
Every day is
Mahopa. So Mahopa was gonna do in Akuzana the pressing.
Yeah.
Press, defend, high.
Yeah.
Yabo. So that's what we needed. But truly speaking, I'm an Orlando Pirates fan.
Yes.
But Nakuzana Pyramids, they are very dangerous. We cannot lie.
Yeah.
Because the approach Jose Rivera today was to score at least one goal.
Yeah.
But it didn't happen.
Yeah.
You know why?
Why?
Because Pyramid, they are very good.
Yeah.
In terms of playing football, head to head.
Yeah.
They are bigger than us.
Yeah,
because we were home, we have all the supports, but we didn't score. Yeah, but what will happen when we go to Cario?
Yeah.
Just imagine. Because we have Jose Rivero, we still trust in him. Yeah, we not score like slightly Taul and Jamajo Manaku, but we're still gonna come back. We're still gonna come back in forces. But this thing for us is same as they lose, because it's a draw. We didn't score. At least if we score one goal.
Yeah.
So tactically the game was okay. Everything was okay. We played our good football. Even at the beginning of the season, we were playing with Konta, Mufugeng, Masangwai, and Mabasa. But today, we didn't match the guys. True speaking, we play our according to our best, but we didn't match them. So is this the end of the road for South African? But we can't. No, we can't. Because listen, it's Pretoria. They played nil draw. Mamelodi Sundowns. It was here. It was FNP nil draw. So is this the end of South African football? No, we don't know. But as a South African, we're not going to give up. But we know that we're supposed to score. But today, we were not fortunate. Truly speaking. But Orlando Pirates, remember, we played, listen, we played a nil draw against Alahi at home, but what happened away? It was 2-1.
Yes.
So we still have this hope. As Chiefs, as Cario. Yeah, we know that we can't afford to go as Cario, but we're still gonna go as Cairo. So ingoma bisisele ukuthi hayi siyabonga Murena. Murena Jesus usithwalile namhlanje.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga Sim.
Please, man.
Once you can, next time, I'm just gonna come.
Sure.
Be with us. Support.